don't deny it. Why don't we try it? Don't say we're gonna leave it all behind. I know you want me. This could be something. I hope you feel it too.
Hi besties, welcome back to another video. Happy New Year guys. Welcome to today's video. So I'm going to be styling my natural hair. Okay, I was styling my natural hair during the festive period for quite some time before I rebraided it. Okay, so here is how I styled my natural hair. Like I did like simple hairstyle that I know that it's not going to pull my front edges. So here I was trying to like think of a hairstyle to make, and I decided to go for a two shuku. We call it two shuku. Okay, like packing the hair two. All right, so here I just scatter everything. Then I have to pour sprinkle water on my hair before we go in to the tangle, because initially I loosed a particular hair I made. Okay, and I used oil and gel. Okay, the gel I used, I had to put a lot of oils on my hair before I add the gel, because I don't want my hair to dry out. You know, during the festive period it's kind of dry, so if you use gel on your hair is going to dry out. So right here I'm trying to create a simple hairstyle but yet cute as well. Okay, that's what I'm trying to create right here. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not. Share with comments. So I'm using this my leave-in condition to condition my hair. You sprinkle water, you condition your hair, and you pack it. Okay, this is what I am doing. I like going in section while styling my hair. Do you used to style your natural hair? I don't usually style it because you know now we are still struggling with front edges, so you have to style it little by little so that your front edges don't look ridiculously hilarious. So I have to use my mirror to look at what I'm doing while I style my hair. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not. Share with a comment. Please give me a like, subscribe, share. Let me know your comment in the comment section. So I lose the hair again, like it was back and front, back and front, back and front, because I was trying to look for a particular style that I know that is not going to cut my front edges, is not going to damage my hair, is not going to make me lose any hair when I want to rebraid my hair. So that's why you guys are saying back and front, back and front, back and front in each style that is being put out. I've gotten the particular look I'm going for. I cut my hair in two sections, then I pack the front one, then I repack it again at the back. That was the hairstyle I was going for. Okay, because initially I've been rocking front like my I'll pack my hair in two, then I'll bring out some little hairs in the front to put it like a base. So that's what I'll be rocking during the Christmas period, and I decided to just give this one a different look by packing it into four, but not four. Like the front one has two small packing, and I'll twist the front one to the back, then pack the back one just to give it this kind of fluffy look, just like this as you are seeing it. I will be using comb to fluff everything out. I'm loving my hair right now because the way when I pack it, it gives this artificial, this artificial hair that you put at the side of your hair. I don't know how to explain it, but if you understand what I'm saying, let me know in the comment section. Okay, that is how it gives my hair, even though my hair is not that so full like that, but the way I'm saying it, giving me that artificial kind of bond bond. I don't know, but anyway, this is what I'm trying to get that kind of look. But I did rock the hair. This is the final look, guys. This is me. I styled the front, I added oil, then use my edge control that has aloe vera to style the front of my hair. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Please like, subscribe, and share. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now.